Hi guys, it's Amanda Renee. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be reviewing or giving my first impressions on the Aussie Total Miracle Total Conditioner with apricot oil. And we'll be seeing whether this conditioner here is type 4 friendly. So if you're interested in seeing that video, keep on watching. Alrighty, so I would have just finished a video using the apricot oil shampoo stating whether it is type 4 friendly or not, and this video is absolutely no different. Think of it as a part 2. I'm actually nervous about using the shampoo just because it does say for all hair types, and usually when products say that they're for all hair types, they don't really cater to the needs of curly girls or coily girls. So I just want to see whether this will moisturize my hair. On the back it says our creamy formula with apricot oil hydrates hair. We will see if it truly hydrates the hair and provides 7 unique benefits, and the directions say apply generously and comb through while rinsing out. It doesn't say how many minutes to leave this for, but I'm going to treat this like a regular conditioner, so I will leave it for 5 minutes and I will drench this part of my hair now since it's all dry, well, drier and I'll be back when it's time to put the conditioner in. Oh, and also on the back here, you see that my hair is drenched with water. On the back here, it gives a moisture meter, and this is at the highest moisture level possible. So I'm expecting my hair to feel at least more moisturized than it currently is, just because of how the shampoo has made my hair feel. If you want to hear my thoughts on the shampoo, definitely check it out in the iCards, but at the moment I will be going in with the conditioner. So is it going to be creamy? Let's see. I mean, it's creamy to a certain degree. I was expecting it to be a lot more creamy, to be honest, but oh, I mean, look at this. As you're seeing, it's seeping into my hair, and I don't think I need any more, just because my fingers are able to glide through my hair, minus my ends, just because I have a few single strand knots that I need to cut out. But yeah, y'all would have seen the time lapse before I started talking. Honestly, I have high hopes for this conditioner. I hope this conditioner does not fail me, just because I'd be really disappointed because the first impressions are that the shampoo seeps nicely into my hair and a little does go a long way. So this is the first twist. I will do the rest of my hair off camera, leave my hair in for 5 minutes, then I will come back when it's time to rinse out. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes and my hair does feel soft. Let's see if it will remain soft when I finish rinsing out the product. Oh, I love the softness, but conditioners sometimes give that illusion of making your hair soft, and then afterwards your hair feels like straw. This claims to be a hydrating conditioner, so I'm expecting it to have some level of hydration. So I'm going to rinse out my hair on camera, then I'll be back to give my final thoughts. So I am finished with rinsing it out, and the first impressions, it's really just your typical conditioner. Nothing to really write home about in terms of moisture. My hair does feel overall hydrated, but it's not extremely hydrated like a deep conditioner. I did not expect that from this conditioner whatsoever. I do like the fact that it was indeed creamy. It didn't look that way putting it on my hand, but while I rubbed it together, it definitely felt really creamy. And I like that a little went a long way as well. You didn't really need a lot to go on your hair. Again, it all depends on your hair density, but for me personally, I didn't need a lot to cover my entire section of hair, and I like that I was able to finger detangle my hair without the need to add any more water or extra product. So I like those things. I also appreciate the fact that this is an $11 product. I found this one in Massey, and for $11, 12 ounces, absolutely. Again, it is your typical conditioner, not a deep conditioner, so there's no reason to expect extreme hydration, but it is enough to where you can say that your hair isn't dry. What rating will I give this? Still a 7 out of 10. As I said, it's just a typical conditioner. I have enjoyed the Maui Moisture conditioner a lot better than this, but this conditioner here is not a bad product whatsoever. So as I said, my rating for this is 7 out of 10. And is it type for hair friendly? Yes, to a certain extent. If you want more moisture, go for a Moisture Max conditioner from Camille Rose, or just simply go for a deep conditioner at this point. There's no reason to condition then deep condition your hair. Pick one and just go with it. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, if you liked this video, leave a like and subscribe for more natural hair content, and I will see you in my next video, which will be a styling one. So see you then. Bye bye.